First of all, would like to thank all our press media friends for covering us. As you all know, today on behalf of Tripura Indigenous Student Federations, we have organized peaceful rally, mass deputations to oppose the government recent decisions that they have taken to demolish the Pushpavanta Palace and construct a 5-star hotel. See, we would like to tell to the government, we are not against any development. We understand and genuinely know that the development process is also important for the progress of any other state. But the development should not take place at the cost of erasing our own historical monuments. There are various other processes to promote our tourism sector, but it should not erase our historical monuments. That is the reason we have come here to organize a peaceful rally. The decision which taken by the government to construct a 5-star hotel in the Pushpavanta Palace deeply hurts the sentiment of our people, deeply hurts the sentiment of our communities, which I think government should reconsider. We appeal to government to reconsider and stop if anything initiation they're taking it to build a 5-star hotel. That is the reason we have organized today.
Saimano nodok sung kaisa khobor manka te sung saimanka joto no chini agini kesam governor house jeta chini agini raja rongni no tongmani chini ti prasani no joto ni tongmani mukumu abuno sugmawi abuno subai ketalke 5-star hotel samai ni sung khanajaka so sung chini omo hai chini ti prasani je kono chini mungno omo hai ke sung sugmana ni riglak chini ti aisa bolo sung chini kono chini mungno sung agi bo sung omon bagi bosawo te sung dawo bosai thanai te omo chini ya chini phainai salokono जे कुनो चिनी ती प्रसारनी मानिनो सकोनो लाइकांगाय जों अमन बागे बुजाय थानाय जों अमन बागे फाइट खायथानाय चिन टी एस एम दङ बे चिन लगे चिन पार्टी नि अकरन साकरन दंबाय जों जतन अमन बागे खरां पिसे दङ जों बुबागरान बिसिंति जों खरां
Just Thangri Tongpruno, the Honorable Cabinet Minister from Tripura State Assembly had announced that Pushpavanta Palace for a 5-star hotel Sramnani Bage, Soy Soya Thangri Tongo, Tati Ayasabro, Anor Koinani Musumo Hase, the movement is the year, the Athanot the year. The itihas lai bumanasang narak nai ini tini khawas semai tongi phaja seng mania jodi borok dati khai reconsider khayang ke wujro khayang ke sini kiaya sepi toba sara tripura seng hor seng sawai tai babas kawas seng klayai amoni bagai তিনি সং অন্তত অংশ জড়ানো একটা ডিসিপ্লিন ভাবে সং গভর্নমেন্ট
gosong gosinglak amon bagi dong jogon ni dong di phainai chalo jeng temo kotor choba khainai judi omo mothang jai angkai kabuk chini khorang agon tola basi bok khnaga cm thar bok khnaga jeng tini se joro digon mothang lainai
জবাবার নাই Woi nahar mania, hindi no. Government of Tripura bising no. Dakti ka withdraw kaya hangke, reconsider kaya hangke. TISF ni hold the line. Tabo na ay, zero ayin company. TISF rokna ang kobogo, koyo, sini three na tayo tungre na tali na. Sini इतिहास no, sini live gumana se hanang pinang khai tomani, kudu bote ke pano sengko siwi nai manja, tai seng pinang no, go sikla khai se.